Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix the Trump accounts app login not working. So if the app keeps rejecting your login, gets stuck on the sign in screen, or won't let you access your account, just follow along. First, make sure you're entering the correct email address and password associated with your Trump account. Then double check for typing mistakes, extra spaces, or incorrect capitalization. And if you've forgotten your password, tap the forgot password option and follow the instruction to reset it before trying to sign in again. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. Then try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out any network issues. After that, completely close the Trump Accounts app and reopen it. And if the problem still continues, go to the App Store and check whether a newer version of the app is available. Installing the latest update can fix login bugs and improve compatibility. You should also restart your iPhone and then try signing in again once the device turns back on. If you're using a VPN or a private network, try temporarily disabling it and logging it again, since certain network settings can sometimes interfere with authentication. Finally, if none of these solutions work, the Trump account server may be temporarily unavailable due to maintenance or high traffic. In that case, you need to wait a little while and then try signing in again later. So that was how to fix the Trump accounts app login not working. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.